We kick off the culling knockout with 16 teams. We are down to the final two, which will go down on the 6th of December at the new Peter Mokaba Stadium. Orlando Pirates as well as Marumo Gallants fighting for honors after two thrilling semi-finals that produced 5 goals. Our super voices of fan base are standing by to reflect and dissect all the action from the weekend. This is what you can look forward to on the show tonight, and please do engage with us on social media using the hashtag #SSFanbase.
The difference between the two teams is because they were clinical.
It was very important for me not to let this team play. So the target was not to let them breathe. Let's go for King.
Raiders, the captain, it's Salt! Score! Oh, what a beautiful one!
Wamimi Ezekia wathi mathambo hlanganani Wamimi Ezekia wathi mathambo hlanganani.
Welcome to the show. We are with you for the next hour on your World of Champions. Marumo Gallants are through to their second domestic cup final after winning the 2022 Nedbank Cup. They did this today, of course, in the culling knockout after knocking out Remontville Golden Arrows after extra time in a penalty shootout. Let's get straight into it. Johannes, we know the final two. Let's dissect that semi-final between Marumo and Golden Arrows.
Oh, let me greet you and our lovely viewers and our fans. What a game, because of our checker, both the two teams came into this match game being where Golden Arrows lost to Orlando Pirates midweek 3-1, and you check Marumo Gallants were beaten 1-0 by Durban City. So which means they needed to change their attention to the cup match, of which you check the very same Golden Arrows thrashed Marumo Gallants 4-0 last weekend. So it's part 2 of the encounter like we stated last week. But then in that game, if you check, you could see that this game was definitely going to go to extra time. I was even telling some of my fellow fans, this game will go to extra time. So because it looked a bit dull in the first half, but it was an open game where we saw a wonderful goal from Golden Arrows, Isaac Caesar taking the lead, and then Christopher Stolle, what a brilliant goal, where Xolanqobo was outside of his goal line. Then you check again, they also took another lead, who scored the equalizer before Stolle. Then Dlamini came back and equalized, so you could tell that the game definitely go into extra time and penalties. So, but Washington Arubi repeated the same drama he did against Mamelodi Sundowns at the Lucas Moripe Stadium. Three solid saves to take the team into the final. And going to the final, as you know, the coach is a little bit underdog for me, Alexandre Lafitte. Is one PSG, Leverkusen with PSG, so they will be looking to cause an upset against Orlando Pirates. And we spoke about Peter Mokaba Stadium, of which Orlando Pirates played Marumo Gallants, as you mentioned, 2022 in the last 16 of the Nedbank Cup, and they knocked Orlando Pirates out at the same venue. And another team that comes to mind, SuperSport United in the Nedbank Cup final. They also beat Pirates 3-2 at the new Peter Mokaba Stadium. So hopefully this time around, Orlando Pirates will be saying, we want to fix our poor history that happened back there. Even in this current knockout, they haven't been doing well, but then they do stand a chance because of Abdul Wado has been doing a good job. So we are in for a lovely final, and let's see, because Marumo Gallants, for me, when I watch them, they're eyeing too much into the current knockout cup because of goal leaking. They're not doing well. They've lost 3 back-to-back matches, but it's going to be a lovely final.
Skimmy, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Skimmy. Willow sail for the love of the game. Honorable Program Rata. Let us remain on Zoom. Thank you, Skimmy. With the way you go to Skimmy. Marumo Galera Skimmy. Marumo lessons here Durban last week. We lose 3 games in a row is not good. Marumo lose for Durban City. They will also lose for Arrows. If you can see for today, they play well. I'm happy for Solo. Solo is our brother. And in Donlo. If you can see, you see Paris fan. That's why I tell us to give. When you see Paris fan, kiss them, hug them. Look at Dondo. 200,000 now. Is the next cheapest. They play well but I'm not saying for Mangoba. I was one Mangoba to go there because we know Arrows is our baby. But for Marumo, well done, Marumo. We'll meet Peter Mokaba and then Mariki pick back time. Over Marumo, can relay your schedule league, Yarchega first league, Chimjana Jarga, coach must score. No, I is umbrella, but Reform chances indeed. Marumo play well. You know when we could take them to the penalties to beat Maruma there. Arrows was supposed to win the game 3-2. Finish the game. You go to final. But it's fine. Marumo, 6 December, Peter Mugama Stadium. Come on, come on. Arena get thrilled. We want the game to be 6 o'clock. Everybody can come see the game. I enjoy. Edgar 3. Fans will come late, but hey, let's stop the game. The fans is done. Put the game 6 o'clock. Everyone is welcome to go Plugwan. Plugwan is 3 hours. You can go in and out. But for us,
yeah. Back-to-back defeats in all competitions for Lamontville Golden Arrows after losing to Orlando Pirates in midweek. Something very interesting Pomoto said in studio in the build-up is that the intensity for Lamontville Golden Arrows, because they played a high-intensity match in midweek against Pirates, and then today for them to go onto extra time as well as penalty, perhaps that's what cost them. They should have wrapped up the match in 90 minutes.
Yes, thank you so much, Lindy. Viewers at home, the ladies that I was with the previous weekend, it is indeed a busy weekend that we were in. Lindy, you look at how Arrows played. Definitely they were the team who was actually so busy in the field of play, showing or wanting to consolidate everything that they had, chances that they had, but it wasn't to be for the day. How Gallants prepared, how Gallants strategized to play against this team of Arrows. They could see that Arrows was actually challenging them so hard to an extent that they draw back to say, but here with Arrows, it looks like it's going to be difficult to crack their defense. Rather, let us draw back to an extent whereby we go for penalties, and we know that there's a man, the last man, that is going to consolidate everything. And it was definitely the goalkeeper who made it possible for Gallants to go through to the final. And I'm still saying, Pirates is one of the best teams currently that is playing. But now let us take note of this Gallants team. They also have an upper hand to say, remember the original places from Polokwane, and now they are going the other side. Let us just check the upset that may come on the set day of the final. I'm not saying Pirates is gonna lose. The set day on the final. Definitely, we're not undermining any other team, but Gallants, it is indeed a dark horse. Thank you so much.
Madao, yes, Lamontville Golden Arrows may have lost on penalties. However, they did put a good fight in that 90 minutes.
Yeah, thanks, Lindy. And if you see the game, Lindy, Golden Arrows, the coach man on it, I'm sure on this one you blame the players, because if you check all the 90 minutes, also extra time, they were Marmogras, they were sneak back, defending all the way, and Golden Arrows, they're playing a nice football. And Lindy, the road for this finalist, Perez and Marmogras, they beat last season, the finalists, Sundowns and Lopez beat Magis. So it's going to be a tough final indeed, as you see our coach, Absalom, is the former coach of Maruma Kalan. And then also this lefty is a small, young coach, the last board of the Premiership. So this is going to be a tough time, because also we've got our 4 players there at Ngondo and who else, Makuduve. So they're going to Otladisa. They're going to prove themselves on the team. But parents will go to this game. Please, let's take this game seriously, because anything can happen. You see now the football for this 2025-2026 is changed. So anything can happen. But on this one, because this cup, I'm sure we last played in 2018. We have to take this cup on the Paris. Thank you.
Yep, it's Coach Abdusalam Owadu versus Coach Alexander Lafitte of Marumo Gallants. Speaking of Coach Abdusalam, of course, he also advanced through to the final, following a 1-0 victory yesterday against Richards Bay. 2 teams from KwaZulu-Natal both knocked out in the semi-finals. But we had interesting semis. Let's talk Edgar Makepula now. Frank nishilo nathi niyaya ku-finally sicela ukuthi usi-unpackele ukuthi umdlalo wayizolo ke nini kanjani.
Asibingelele sisilindi. Of course singamabhakaniya we are cruising nice. Kumnandi ezweni kumnandi futhi kusazoba mnandi. Coming to igame ezolo. Ayikho into ebesiyele lapha just nje ukuthi sinqamule freeway siye khona ePeter Mokaba. Sesifikile ePeter Mokaba. So basinikile igame eRichards Bay and okuhlungu ngayo kade kuyi-payback time. Dala sasiyifuna and ngiyathanda ukuthi siyakufinally nje sindlula kuma-team asikweletayo. Nalena siyanayo ku-final iMaroon. Cishe saluza ucoach ngendaba yakho. Because masiqala lapha igame ladliwe yibo laba wathi ucoach this kanti no. So igame ezolo iRichards Bay isinikile igame. Yeah, so idlalile impela siyayibongela iperformance yayo ibe yinhle and bese sengithi salute to mabhakaniya. Yo, stadium besimnyama sigcwele. Yeah, what a team. Even sidlala away sishayigcwala inkundla. So we are very very happy. Singamabhakaniya kusazobraya sisilindi. Kusazophela inyama aguga ama-brain stand. Sazonqamuka amazinyo abaphethwe igawuthi awusorry inyama isazodliwa ezweni shilo sakusaseka.
Sisilindi atende zori team ya Orlando Pirates ikho tamba bora na batale bafusheya zwa zwino ri tshi khou tamba kha season ya 2025-2026 ono vha now sold out dzo no swika 8 zwa zwino arali ri tshi khou lavhelesana heinoni ya matshelo. So should you need a sold out, please involve Orlando Pirates. That is guaranteed. Sislindi, there is a song that the center line of Orlando Pirates sings. Yeah, siaya, siaya. So we are saying 1 MTN. I'm saying that with confidence. Buccaneers say 2 Carling. These other 3 fingers, they are still coming because even on the curve, we are still coming back. Let's talk about Coach Abdul Salam. Sislindi, we have a coach here. Mr. One Man, Terminator himself. It's ruthless. I always say, if you want to win, kill. That's what Orlando Pirates is doing. Contribution Morini each and every time. Nduri mrenjo wacha monde what did Zoro did it zio. A police me South Africa chipembe mtukana sina zi machine. Now namtemsa zunebo you will never fight back. What a player in him. And lastly, in the interest of time, Sislindi, let me say thank you to the Buccaneers for giving 100K to Megazile Mbogas.
Sislindi yaphila.
Ngiyaphila.
Uyazi usifike saba no coach uRivero ne umfanisana obheka icele. Wahamba uRivero. Wabuya ubani uwadu ngumfanisana nomkhwanasi. Kunzima engicabanga ukuthi abantu abaningi bahleze besi-writer off. Ne-MTN 8 kufike kwathi hayi ithi ikhaphe edlalelwa abantu ama-team awu-8 sathi kulungile asiyithathe. Yes, Black Label bathiwa 16 team. Sikuyi-final namanje ngicabanga ukuthi iPirate yiyo i-team ngempela la PSL edlala ama-final kakhulu. Ucoach wethu uyasijabulisa, squad rotation sakhe yonke iplayer ayifaka phakathi ifika isebenza. Bengixabana noMdawu last week mayithi uMdawu no ungasho ukuthi angene bani yonke umdlali ezilongo wePirate akangene. Lokho ngikubonile ngoba ucoach the way ama-player awarothitha ngakhona uthatha uHot wambeka ngaphandle wafaka uNdaba wangena wenza umsebenzi. Engisho kunje singamabhakaniya sijabulile. We're going to Peter Mokaba Stadium. Siyabonga.
Hi, Lindy.
Ashe.
And everyone at home. First and foremost, let me take this opportunity to wish all the best to all the matriculants in South Africa. To them, the message that I have to them is that a judge is a law student who marks his own question paper. And secondly, let me take this opportunity to congratulate Marumo for winning this game. And Pirates, anticipation of
defeat is worse than defeat itself. You are just anticipating.
Okay.
And Marumo Gallant is a very dangerous team.
Okay, we've got Timothy
I
and
repeat myself.
Yes.
Anticipation of defeat is worse than defeat itself.
Okay. Timothy and Elliot Twasara are joining us virtually. Elliot Twasara, let me start with you because the final will be played at the new Peter Mokaba Stadium on the 6th of December. Talk us through what you witnessed this weekend on the semis of the Carling Cup. Elliot?
Okay. Good evening, Lindy. Good evening to the viewers at home. Yeah, and the guys in the studio, not forgetting them. Yeah, what a weekend we had. Orlando Pirates and Timuja Devon. Timuja Pirates are winning now. Anyway, good luck to the finalists, Orlando Pirates and Marumo Gallants. I'm happy the cup final is coming to our province, Limpopo, and let me thank Polokwane Municipality for beating under the leadership of John Makorombe. Thank you very much, leadership. We'll make sure that the stadium will be full, and we'll make sure that my parents are going to take it Mo ya shala ai haute eta tamaye go suwele go Magumo Gallants ya go Bloemfontein. What a game we experienced over the weekend, especially the last one, Gallants, the Golden Arrows. The Golden Arrows have a lot of opportunity, but they missed those opportunity. You know, in football, when you miss the opportunity, you get punished, and then that's the way. Marumo Gallants, they make sure they go to the penalty, which is the lottery. Maybe they can win it, and they did win it. So that's the way footballers work. They work these days. You make sure you defend whatever it takes so that you can just go to the penalty kick final. It's not like a league. You remember they beat them league. So Kakapu, you go all the way. These guys, they played. Dondo, well done. Winning that, scoring those things, and now getting the man of the match. Again. So, which finally at the 6th, Motoro and Motoro Direga. Bama Marumo Gallants, make a show Real Tower, that's what a stadium, of course. Never. And I thank you, Lindy.
Thank you so much, Elliot. Also joining us via Zoom is Timedi. Timedi, Richards Bay exiting the competition in the same stage they did over the last 2 seasons. However, they've also struggled to score in a Carling knockout semi-final.
Greetings, Ashley. I'm not sure if I picked up your question, Goffela, but I think it's been very interesting for Marumo Gallants. When it comes to cup competitions, they can struggle the entire league season, and they always find themselves go semi-final spot there. I remember there's this time where they reached the CAF Confed Cup semi-final, and then they got knocked out by Young Africans, and then they got relegated in the same season. So I really wish them well, and I think they deserve it, man. Having played 4 semi-finals in the last 3 to 4 seasons, it's not a fluke. It shows that these people have been cooking something behind the doors. And for Alexander Lafitte, I think this one taking the team to the next level, more especially the fact that Coach Wadi ended the semi-final last season. So I think for Pirates as well, it's gonna be a big one. This is one cup that they haven't collected. If you look at the years, I mean, they also suffered a heartbreak when they played Baroka. I think most Pirates fans will remember that game. So I think it's also a trophy in small teams. So it's going to be interesting, more especially if you look at who won it the last time against beating a big team in Mamelodi Sundowns. So it's going to be one for the books coming the 6th of December, and I really hope we get to see goals because that's what we've been saved this entire season.
All right, thank you, Timedi. Mampejo Calvin says, happy days are here to stay. Happy people are not only happy, but joyous. Orlando Pirates FC will win the Carling Knockouts 2025. #SS fan base. A second cup final lucky this season for Esgamake Pula.
Good evening, Lindy. It's really nice to see Paris doing what it should be, just making its people happy. If you look, most of the Patanians in the studio are happy. And this made it long it may continue. We still have to play Marumo Gallants, which I think for me they've been doing well, and also find themselves in the final. If you find yourself in the final, if you can equal chances, the opportunity to win the game. They can actually even score an own goal and then you win the game. So the final is actually a fair chance for everybody to win the cup. Yeah. But obviously Pirates have been in many finals and they've won it. So Pirates don't go to finals just to play finals, but they win finals.
Alright, stay tuned to Rolling Champions because we will be bringing you all the action on the 6th of December live and in the splendor of high definition between Orlando Pirates as well as Marumo Gallants in the 2025 Carling Knockout Final on your World of Champions. Stay with us, the conversation continues after this. Loving the energy in studio. Let's move now to the Betway Premiership midweek action. Goals galore. First up, the champions Mamelodi Sundowns 1-0 winners over TS Galaxy in midweek. They are sitting comfortable at the top of the table. Matome?
Good morning, we've been sitting there comfortably, to be honest. It's been long now. It's been long now. Yeah. And we know how to sit there.
Yeah.
As Tom, we've been doing this for 9 years in a row. What a difficult game it was. Normally, TS Galaxy find a very difficult game. Yeah. When they play us, they pull up their socks. We are very happy because we managed to get 3 points. Although we are still limping as a team. We are not there where we want ourselves to be. We're still limping, but we'll get there. The hope is there, but dropping 11 points up to so far, which is very difficult. It's unlike Mamelodi Sundowns. But we'll get there. We'll get there. Thanks.
Lindy, congratulations to you, Paul, for taking to a finalist consecutively. We're talking about Orlando Pirates. I know that we're talking about the issue of Mamelodi Sundowns, but for me, it would be injustice if we don't talk about the best team in the last in recent 10 years. And believe you me, I think the PSL or the title of the league is overrated. If you talk about Orlando Pirates, that is reaching finals after finals, and not only reaching finals but winning it. I think now we just become the only team that has won or has reached 2 finals in a row. Yeah. Kaizer Chiefs has never won anything this season. Mamelodi Sundowns won nothing. Stellenbosch and otherwise. And like I always say, we can only play Mamelodi Sundowns 2 games. We're not responsible for what transpires between Sundowns and other teams. But I can dare tell you, even the best analysts in this country and beyond have lost sense. They thought Orlando Pirates is ran by coaches. They said when our coach Jose Rivero left, remember, Sister Lindy, I'm not done. Remember, I'm the only person who's more qualified to talk about football anyhow. But let me say this. Let me say this because we have to emphasize this. I think all 15 teams just came to watch Orlando Pirates play. If they were to say it, they would say Recapilio Pirates. It's all Pirates show. But anyway, congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns. I think they can tell that the future is not certain this season. I mean, with Orlando Pirates ever doing so well, even in the CAF Champions League, the only thing that deprives us is the hooliganism that was played by Mukoko. And let me tell you this, I'm disappointed rather that a footballing loving country like this would celebrate a Mukoko, an unsporting behavior that is celebrated by these Lamtutus and Mamelodi Sundowns. It cannot be in our era that we celebrate mediocrity when people kick people up in football. It cannot be. But anyway, we are happy and we congratulate Sundowns fans and Kaizer Chiefs fans. They will watch a beautiful final. Orlando Pirates wins even from the bench. Imagine, Sister Lindy, you are playing against a police and you see Rilebuhile Mufokeng, you see Tito, you see Master Chef cooking. What would you do? If this was football, these teams wouldn't play against us. Thank you.
Malindi, let me finish Sebastien. Firstly, I just want to thank the president of CAF, Dr. Patrice Motsepe, ka announcement I released on Friday, to sign a contract with Canal Plus. I just want to say merci beaucoup pour la collaboration, Canal Plus and Super Sport.
because Rasatlo Valley the problem is our bare the soldiers on a Champions League. Because Canal Plus it's a francophone channel. So it will equal everyone. Ya my team, the beloved Mamelodi Sundowns. I want Sundowns we fedileng. I don't know. The journalists the merebo Monchika they were changed the pattern how to play. Because of now there's a lot of journalists now they can talk. They were not journalists all along for the past 10 years. Now we give them at least a job to do. Got this game, critics or no, we are slowing. We are not slowing. We are using the system of chameleon. This is Mamelodi Sundowns. Let me tell you something. There's a time, come May, someone will have a heart attack, someone will have a stroke. Believe me, it's a long time. There's a long time. Helicopter it's been a while. Sorry, because in this spring. That's why it's about to you remember that does this spring. That's why it's about to talk again. So we want to bring that thing come May. Bonaba number 3, number 4, Bonaba the Takan Samba the Tirani Salati. Oh, this is Renyago Fisakabon. Yeah, so about the Tagatakan Sang. We want the Tagatan Sagibon in the salad. Yeah, so I just want to give the credit to Coach Manova. I said 2 weeks back, Karen, who told me that the Parktown FC. But unfortunately, because sometimes when you play football, you get a lot of opportunity. You are the one going to lose the game. Because they were having 100% of winning the game. But they lose. It's football the way it is. Yeah, so you remember my prophecy 2 weeks back, Karen? They're going to give us a FC Lupopo. And we're going to teach them. Yeah. So now, Pagania, please, carry 22. I'm inviting you. Listen, this is a football. This is for Africa. This is for South Africans. Carry 2. I'm inviting you. I'm inviting you go Loftus, ka Institute, Capital City, Mushato Muhul. Please, give us a little witness or Mukoko Mukensa Kamaral Botol. I said it. No. Romu Kenya Kamaral Botol. Yeah, thanks.
Greetings, please. Now, it's okay, this is a free country whereby you are allowed to say anything, even if you are not saying anything. At the end of the day, if you have to check the match between TS Galaxy and Sundowns, I don't want to talk about stats. He knows himself that TS Galaxy were on top of them. And then it was just only one chance that Sundowns could get. Yeah, no, even if it can be 100 chances, but it was only 1 chances that they took. And then TS Galaxy, sometimes they just have to come and regroup. It's not like they've lost because they were not playing or they were a better side at the end of the day. Unfortunately, they couldn't capitalize on their chances that they had. But what can we say? We move forward. Now, we are ready. We are on FIFA break. We are cruising. We are only waiting for the final on the 6th of December. Peter Mugava. Everyone is welcome. Thank you very much.
TS Galaxy, they have to blame themselves. They really came to the party. They played. Also, the coaching decision was very bad. Because if you check the Tejane, yes, offensive-wise, he was very bad. But defensively, he was working. After they subbed him and then they put Sibande, that's when Mamelodi Sundowns enjoyed more domination and controlled the game. So Sundowns, it's a team that is beatable. It's now it's Brakinyana and it's no longer a bulldog. So Sundowns, we are all coming for you. They just have to pray. They just have to pray that they make it to top 8 because they just have to forget about the league. They are playing just like Black Leopard at Mutsepe Foundation. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, Scalo. Mamelodi Sundowns 3 points clear at the top, of course, ahead of Orlando Pirates as well as Kaizer Chiefs. Speaking of Orlando Pirates, they picked up an important important win in Durban, of course, against Lamontville Golden Arrows. And the subs in this particular match, let's talk Orlando Pirates and Abafana Bistende.
Wato wa ntambo wa kutinga manda Sislende raro tembisiwa Sislende over message over Golden Arrows, sorry Kaizer Chiefs is one stop celebrator. We are going to increase the happiness. They promise us putu food, but was please little did they know. You know, these Pirates, Sislende, you know, Butuma just come in from the bench, we win the game from there on. So this just means that even the bench, there are also the players on the field, but not yet being activated. This one thing that you have to be able to understand, Sislende. Unaso batwachi jamba bachiri squad rotation, nenda spaces. Danichiri, let them continue. But in these Pirates, you see what is out. Ndaba comes in. How about this back four, the youngest back four, Libon and Bekes Lembogas? So, naka right, Libito was your last game, but it's just unfortunate that they don't speed recovery. Ka Sihlenduli, Rich Corey, Recorabera Adoya Way football. Resepa Nana marathon. This marathon is leading. We will run as well because we have race number. And whoever that falls, Rena, we are going back. We are Buccaneers. CI.
Lindy, every player is play for Pirates with support.
Yeah.
Coach at this my Pirates must come right. Don't support the team when the team is winning. Support the player coach put inside. If you love Pirates. We come from Tepe. In the bus on the flight, we 10 hours because we love Pirates. We are not just support to go to stadium when they say you don't do right, you do like that. No, don't do that. Support the team, win through and lose. I'm sure I recorded. If Pirates don't win the league, Lindy, you are invited Mutogwa, East 11 waiting near Mutogwa if Pirates win the league. Everything is sorted. Just to know where in the hotel. If Pirates are going to May, they are Kuga League. Out of Lindy, Mutogwa Libija, little Mutogwa film base, little Pinelo, go to Mutok. Or Shatamaroska Wara, Pirates in Pilomusa.
Let me, going back to Golden Arrows against Orlando Pirates game, leaky during the week. Auslindi Okaro Alibella, Mangobam, this season he's cooking something. The boys are playing well. They may not win the game, but then their fighting spirit is on another level. If Baka keep up that fighting spirit, I'm telling you, Auslindi this season, they will realize something about Golden Arrows. Baka Baba fell position 3. Because obviously, no, I'm talking as a football fan. So, yeah. So, even though hard luck for their loss.
You're right. And also, you look at Arrows, and I think we spoke about this a few weeks ago, Hore. They are able to find the back of the net in every single match.
Yes, I wanted to say this, like you're in my mind. So, you know, when you lose football match and you're underperforming, then you don't have positive to take out of the game and go to the next game. But obviously, they're losing, but they're a free-scoring team. And also, you don't just score goals. If you look at the equalizer, the second goal, a well-orchestrated goal, you can see the interchange of passes before the ball is put into the net. It's not like just ballooning the ball into the net. You can see this guy, he's got the intention just to plug the ball in the far post. So, Arrows has got now they are a watchable team. When they play, you can sit on the couch and watch them because they're similar to Pirates these days.
That's Lindy. You know, if Pirates wins, they don't have peace. We don't have peace. Do you remember the story of David and Goliath? This is what is going to happen. Yeah. So, they may talk, but the fact remains. As far as we are out of the current black label, of course, and we are reinforcing. And when we come back, we'll bounce back. Remember, we're supposed to play Sundowns on the 18th. Then the supporters ran to Motsepe to tell him, please, fire the coach before Skukun arrives. And on the 21st, we were supposed to play Sundowns. The match was postponed. And up until now, we don't know when are we going to face Sundowns. We want them badly. Yeah? What maybe the people don't know.
Lindy, just to add on that, Mangoba Elikitoma, you are going to see a different golden arrows. And we can see now the direction he's taking.
Yep, Orlando Pirates unbeaten now in the last 9 meetings against Lamontville Golden Arrows. We have Usphiwe Dubandlela as well as Nomvuselelo joining us via Zoom. Nomvuselelo, let me start with you. Welcome to the show. We're still chatting Orlando Pirates and Lamontville Golden Arrows that yes, the results may not have gone their way, Lamontville Golden Arrows, however, they are playing the standard way.
Can you please?
Pirates ne Lamontville Golden Arrows ukuthi yes noma badliwe midweek I Golden Arrows but badlala ibhola elimnandi.
Yes, I Golden Arrows idlala ibhola elimnandi and I'm very disappointed because I thought it's gonna win. I'm very disappointed at Golden Arrows.
Okay, thank you so much, Nomvuselelo. Usphiwe Dubandlela is also joining us. Mr. Dubandlela, exciting weekend of football as well as midweek results. Your overview, please.
Big results. Good evening, Sislindi. And I never do this, but may I just wish my daughter Ngobile happy birthday today. On Pirates supporters, Lindy. The Pirate supporters must not try and regulate the banter. They must not be intellectuals when it comes to this. You know, we will celebrate Mukoko as long as we feel like. It must not be something that is unwanted by them. They must accept banter and it's going to come to them. And I'm happy Uguti Ilokuzana, our fan base, the rivalry between Pirates and Chiefs is intensifying. And I'm going to make this call again to management, both the Kaizer Chiefs and the Pirates. Uguti, when we go to the derby, let the gold and black sit one side and the black and white milk cow jerseys sit on the other side. You know, we want to see the real rivalry, you know, at the stadium. We must never sit together again. But coming to our games, especially against the Orbit College, I think our coaches, if we can continue to apply ourselves the way they did and the players that we had, I mean, you can see that we've got options. We've got a lot of options. Velepai, when he came in, and I know there was the criticism Ngompundo, and I always say, let these boys play, you know, and what a game that he had. Yena no Villagas, no Shabalala. But the whole team for me, I think it was a good application of the game. And I hope that with this break, we can come back. We still have Abomayo. We still have a lot of other players that have not played. And this league, if you look at it, it's not going to be Sundowns winning the league in December. It's never going to happen again. This is very competitive. The big three is back again. We are competing as Kaizer Chiefs. We are going for the league, and that to me it's very exciting to see and to be in that position again.
Thank you so much, Usphiwe. Amakhosi unbeaten in their last 5 games in all competitions. They are keeping the heat against Mamelodi Sundowns in the Betway Premiership. But Mthombo bathi ngibuyile Amakhosi ajabulile futhi.
Ngicela nje ukuthi Silver Fox is Silver Foxing them. Yeah. Akadlali Silver Fox umfethu
uyasimela and so we siyamthanda even nobo iKotoro banabo basinikeza i-option lapha phambili including uMayo Umfundo. I mean we are happy Lindy. So all I can say as the Kaizer Chiefs we are challenging for the league and yes we are challenging for the league and we are capable of winning league. So mina into engizoyisho bafethu khani ibhola liqala ke manje umdlalo omuhle uyaphambili. Khosi for life will take this league. Yabonga Lindy.
Lindy Lindy ngakutshela la ngathi I'm cruising. I'm walking. I feel like I'm walking in the carpet. Ngakutshela. Yeah. Ngakutshela futhi ngathi netrain iyaduma manje. Yeah. Lindy yazi le game ngikhumbuza nge-26 January 2025. Awu ufuna ngifunde ayikhona ilist lapha nama-stats akhona ingikhumbula ngaleso sikhathi 26 January kwakora uChiva Vairo ngangingakhala mfana ngangijabulile kwakora uMikel Tears of Joy. So ngayiphinda ke midweek leya 4 ngashaya 4 ngithanda futhi nokubongela yazi abafana abancane njengobashilo uDubandile ukuthi akunikwe the likes of abovilakazi opportunity. Umfana wami scored a beautiful goal, a technique of that goal, So, and the combination of Ushabalala, ngimbona makekora athi Ushabalala. Yeah. So i-Chiefs ngijabulisile manje. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi ingikhumbuze that day and another person engifuna ukumraise kuleya game awuvilakazi umfana wami Coco Million uyabona i-left back ye-Orbit College hayi bekayihlupha mangaba boyibonile leya game and ngithanda futhi nokubona abovelaphayo you know. What a performance of Velapaya ifakile kuleya game. And masingabuya futhi sidlale with the same players. In next team esiyodlala nayo sizo-add one kuyoba yi-5 ngizobe ngibulisa ngithi manje
3-4-5
yebo msothi buye nje uVelaphayi uyangizwa ngithini ngithi kuwe aboVelaphayi bayashisa so Lindy all in all njengoba shilo futhi my brother here ukuthi i-league we are competing siyacompete ibhakanyana na 19 points iSundowns ashika kakhulu ngiyamuzwa naye lo eSundawana amanethi warawara bahleli kamnandi bephezulu hayi abangabi comfortable after FIFA break siyawina si 83 points ziyakhala mfana kithi so Lindy thank you
Sislinde sanibonani and all the beautiful fans sithanda ukubonga a player that didn't buy vele buy sibonge nabadlali bonke and in a combination yama fans bazile baphume njengephuma baphume bachithisaka basupport iclub which is into enhle and to keep on winning into enhle keep momentum ye league. It's been too long sagcina ukubona ama-team ayi-3 computer the big teams Sundowns, Pirates, Chiefs yabo sibonga kakhulu.
And then there was a period where Amakosi went 3 matches without finding the back of the net. Now against Simba they scored 3 in midweek they scored 4. Is this now the change now from Amakosi? We're going to see them getting more goals going forward.
And it was a good thing because of I think by changing that venue to go to Dobsonville, they did win that game against Simba. When we bounced back again because of we've not been scoring goals, the game ya Amazulu, Yasiwelele FC, Marumo Gallants comes to mind. So otherwise it was so good to see finally we're scoring first 4 goals, first time ever. So which gives us a boost. Just to touch in on Mangoba Mwiti, you mentioned something that they're scoring goals. I think the only problem if they can fix at the back because of they don't have the first choice goalkeeper, the Skolani Ngobo, no, I should say, Edward Maova, and also the other goalkeeper there. So if they can just fix it, Tarzan Banjo, if they can just fix those goalkeepers, get first choice goalkeeper, then they will be able to do well because they've been conceding 4 goals against Stellenbosch, Pirates 3. So one of our consider, but then they can't fix at the back. But so far so good. So I'm happy also with Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah. Uma Pholoba, Tulani Ngobo is also joining us via Zoom. We saw him do or die in Mfundo Vilakazi do well in midweek. Mapoloba, welcome to the show. Please unpack the match for us.
Thank you so much, Lindy. Good evening to the viewers. Good evening to the panelists. I'd like to just give you, a summary of what I've seen this past week. Let me start with Golden Arrows first. With Pirates. And also Golden Arrows as a whole, as a whole, there are people who are not praised at Golden Arrows. People like Abo Musabilankulu, who's the assistant coach, and also I'm not sure if Udi Kasha is still there. I'd like to also, give them props, for making sure they assist, who Coach Manoba and they are really doing a very good job in that, and we're definitely going to see a competition in this league. Going to my team, Kaizer Chiefs, I'm very excited, Lindy. As you mentioned, players like Abumtu Shabalala, they are doing very, very well. And gestures and all that. He's scoring, he's celebrating very well. And we are very, very happy as the Kaizer Chiefs fans with what he's doing. And also, for the Kaizer Chiefs team, for also looking at the fact that Mfundo Vilakazi is one of the best, youngsters that we have in the country. He's the future of Bafana Bafana, even though I'm selected. But going forward, I'm definitely sure which is going to be selected. So I'm very, very happy with Kaizer Chiefs squad. We are definitely going to see a lot of competition with this squad. You look at Abadabanjengo Umtetwa, I think is going to contend for the middle field of the season this year, no doubt. And I'm looking forward, to seeing him, participating in that league. There is a gentleman, Umtagatara Mamelodi Sundowns supporter there, who said, we have missed Iskati se helicopter. We are definitely going to see that. Kaizer Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns, and also Skukune. Izobendiza phezulu a helicopter the last day, but I'm just looking forward to that, Lindy. Thank you so much. Great show as always.
Thank you so much, Mervin. I can imagine you have a lot to say.
And for now, let me congratulate the best team in the country for now, Orlando Pirates. And the other thing, Lindwe, let me congratulate Imarumu Gallants to reach a final. And finally, Eric Sagit Timujelo or Baparavozi. The Timuja was whole was down city. I did let me come to our boys. Lindwe, our boys, they're promising us something. And then other thing, I think Koro Monyano is back. And then other thing, I wish Ulemfana over to Ushinga and I away. And then how much about knowing the Gucci so no how can them to our own position? Put them Mori Halari Jason Tabola. Now Uvela Pai Ukona. 302 BMW. You didn't know. And then Lego Haruba Theatre. If you are Parapula, I was going to pass the players. We wish every game we play, we make sure we win. No, we win 4-0. Very winner 1-1. No, we win a 4 left goal. Can't read as a Kaizer supporter. I wish you can add more, even 5. Anything. No, Baba should nobody know. Chiefs we never came in the row. It's a lose. And then as a Kaizer Chiefs, I'm happy. And then I wish Bafana Baga carry on to win a thing. Then rather than Chiefs, not. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mervin. Makosi will next take on Magesi in the Betway Premiership, of course, after the FIFA international break. Stay with us. More to come on your World of Champions after the break. That hashtag on social media is SS Fanbase.